Okay, so I'll draw the spectra for 3 stars.
And then, so this is the spectrum for when there's no Doppler shift.
Okay.
So the lines would be here when we don't observe any Doppler shift at all.
All right, and so these are the spectra for our stars. So let's start with A. What do we know about it?
Well, star A is a red star that is closest in front of you. So since it's in front of us, that means we're moving towards it. So its light must be blue shifted then.
Right, so I'll draw those lines about here. And
Closer to the blue end, yeah.
Yeah.
And then star B is a red star that is far away from you and behind you. So since it's behind us, we're moving away from it. So its light would just be red shifted.
Okay, so then we'll draw those lines.
Closer to the red end again.
Right.
Yeah. And then star C is also in front of us. So we're moving towards it and its light would be blue shifted like A.
Okay, but are we closer to A or C?
Well, it says that star C is the farthest away, so we're closer to A, but shouldn't the line just be drawn in the same spot?
Well, no, I think it would be different because since you have a greater distance to C, the Doppler shift would be greater because of that distance.
Okay, so then the lines would be even closer to the blue end
Yeah.
than A. Okay, yeah, I think that sounds right.
So then we'll draw those right about there.
Yeah.
And then, is that
So,
good?
yeah, I'll just get an instructor to come check this.
Okay.
Okay, so let's talk about stars A and C for a minute. Are their lines red shifted or blue shifted?
Blue shifted.
And should they be shifted differently or the same amount?
Well, they should be shifted differently because since C is further away, there's going to be a greater shift because of that distance.
Yeah, it's a greater distance.
Alright, let me give an example that may help. Imagine that you're driving north towards 2 cities, one that's close by and the other that's really far away. Are you driving at the same or different speeds towards each city?
It'd have to be the same
Yeah,
speed.
it'd have to go the same.
Yeah, the same speed, right?
Exactly. And what causes Doppler shift? Is it the relative motion between the two things, or is it the distance?
Oh, that's the relative motion, right?
Oh, so the distance doesn't matter.
Exactly. So in regards to the activity, are you moving at the same or different speeds towards stars A and C?
We'd have to be moving the same speed
Yeah, we'd
towards
have
them
to be.
both. Oh, so then if we're moving the same
Oh.
speeds towards A and C,
The shift would be the same then, too.
yeah, so we have to
Okay.
redraw the lines for star C so that they're shifted the same as A.
Right.
So they'd go around here.
Okay.
So how does that look?
That looks great, guys.